Welcome back to day 6 of 90 and 90. Today's topic is about a higher power. We hope that these topics are helpful to you as you work towards a life beyond your dreams. We will begin with a prayer. It doesn't matter who or what you pray to, it is the process of prayer that works. Prayer. Help us to be present in this moment and open to the wisdom of recovery. Grant us clarity to see ourselves honestly and the courage to grow from our experiences. May we receive your guidance as we seek healing and peace. Day 6, a higher power. When I first was introduced to the concept of a higher power, I was a little taken aback. The idea that there was a God or mystical force that I had to subscribe to felt very strange to me. I was told that the process of prayer worked, but who or what I prayed to didn't matter, and I really liked that. I was told that I could have any higher power I wanted, but the only requirement was that my higher power be loving, patient, caring, and to be a power greater than me. For many, a higher power might be the power of the group, the universe, a spiritual force, and many find a pathway home to the religion of their upbringing. However, the distinction must be said that it is spiritual in nature. While it can be for many, it is not a religious thing. My goal is to develop a relationship with my higher power. And by doing this, I get a source of guidance, support, and comfort. This is an acknowledgement that I don't have to control everything, and that by trusting in something bigger than myself, this opens the door to healing, peace, and recovery. I don't have to carry this burden alone. I let go of the need to control and allow myself to trust in something greater. I find peace and the ability to move forward in my recovery. I learn that there is a higher power and that I am not it. Ultimately, the higher power is whatever I believe can guide me toward healing, growth, and recovery. It's deeply personal and can evolve over time as my understanding of myself and the world changes. By embracing the concept of a higher power, I'm saying that I'm willing to believe in hope, in help, and in the possibility of change. I don't need to have all the answers, I just need to be willing to ask for guidance. And in that willingness, I find the strength to stay on this path, one moment at a time. Join us tomorrow for another topic as we continue this journey towards a more complete life. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We are on YouTube and all other social media platforms.